Let's color this shitty elephant. Good start. And elephants are gray, right? They're made of gray color. So front legs are gray and the butt is gray. Alright. Back legs are kind of darker shade of gray. This is front leg. And they have yellow horns, and also they have blue eyes. Right. Let's make more elephant. Alright. Also, sometimes they have splash of some dirt on their backs. So I'll make their feet. So I'll make their feet a little bit dirty. And of course, it has this little cover star. I'm good at stars, right? And I assume he has a lot of gold decorations on his carpet on top. And also some gold here. And should be some more blue. On this carpet. And I think I forgot some more gold here. And what about his tail? I think his tail should be darker than the rest of the fucking body. And his trunk should be colored with perpendicular things, okay? And his ears should be dark gray. No, light gray. Alright. And he needs to have little tree branch in his mouth, because elephants eat greens, okay? And there you go. Let's title it. Let's put intriguing. Question mark. Alright. What color should it be? Bright. Yeah. Let's change the font. Not nice. How about this? Nobody reads cursive now. This is much better.